Hello everyone, today we will see how the on-off mode operates in TC544C. To enter level 1, press the down button for 3 seconds. Here, you need to select the input according to your sensor. Since our sensor is K-type, we have selected K. Press the up button to see the compensation option. We have selected yes. Press the up button again for resolution and then for unit selection, which is set to degrees Celsius. Next, set the set point low limit and set point high limit. For FTC1 control action, we have used RE for heating applications. Press the up button to select the control logic. We need it in on-off condition, so we have selected off. Press the up button to select the output. We have made connections in the relay, so we have selected relay. Press the up button for dual time, heat-cool mode, and then for relay to mode reset. Now, press the down button for 3 seconds to exit level 1. To enter level 2, press the up button for 3 seconds. Here, you will find Hysteresis 1. Hysteresis is the difference between the set temperature and the relay's on-off state. I am setting it to 2 now. Our relay will turn on or off based on a difference of 2. Hysteresis 2 is the same, it's the difference between the set temperature and relay 2's on-off state. Press the buttons for display bias, then press the down button for 3 seconds to exit. Currently, our set temperature is 50 and the process value is 25, so our LED is glowing. I will change the set temperature to 24 now. Our process value is 25 and the set temperature is 24, so our LED has turned off. If I set it to 27, our LED will turn on with a difference of 2. Thanks for watching.